Hey there, horror fans. Welcome to your ultimate guide to Halloween Horror Nights. If you're a thrill seeker looking for the scariest event of the year, you're in the right place. Picture this. You step into the fog-drenched streets of Universal Studios. The air is thick with the scent of popcorn and fear. Suddenly, you're surrounded by creepy clowns, bloodthirsty zombies, and eerie creatures from your worst nightmares. Sound exciting? This year, Halloween Horror Nights is pulling out all the stops. With 10 terrifying haunted houses, 5 bone-chilling scare zones, and 2 live shows, there's no shortage of ways to get your heart racing. Let's talk haunted houses. New for you, the Curse of the Wicked Woods will have you navigating through a dark forest filled with sinister spirits. And don't miss the Reaper's Revenge, where you'll come face to face with the Grim Reaper himself, if you're brave enough, that is. The scare zones are equally horrifying. Ever wondered what it feels like to be stalked by a pack of werewolves? Head to Lunar Lunacy and find out. Or if creepy carnivals are more your thing, Carnival will haunt your dreams for weeks. And let's not forget the shows. The Fiend Factory blends horror with jaw-dropping acrobatics, while dark magic will leave you questioning reality. Now, here are some pro tips. Arrive early, wear comfortable shoes, and most importantly, bring your friends, because experiencing fear is always better together. If you're ready to dive into the ultimate Halloween experience, Halloween Horror Nights 2024 is waiting for you. Thanks for tuning in, horror aficionados. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more spine-tingling content. For even more horror delights, follow me at leroybrown.k. Until next time, stay spooky.